Hello all, welcome to another video. This video is beneficial for those students who are going to attempt the logic design exam. In this video, I have included some important university questions which have been chosen randomly from the previous year question papers. Watch the video till the end so that it will be helpful for you in the examination point of view. Let us move on to the video. This was the first question. Convert the given SOP into the canonical form. The solution of this question have been given in the previous video, that is in part 1. The link of that video have been given in the description box. Here is the second question. Convert the given POS into the canonical form. The first sub-question is f of ABC is equal to a plus b into b plus c bar. Second sub-question is f of xyz is equal to x into x plus y plus z bar. Both these sub-questions are in POS form. POS means product of sum. You have to convert this expression into canonical form. Canonical form means standard POS. Canonical form is also called as standard POS. Standard POS consists of all the literals in its true form and complement form. So here the literals are, in the first sub-question, the literals are A, B and C. The first term here is A plus B. Second term is B plus C bar. So the first step is you have to identify the missing literal. The missing literal in the first term is C and the missing literal in the second term is A. In the next step, first term plus the missing literal dot the complement of the missing literal into second term B plus C bar plus A dot A bar plus A dot A bar. Now we have to solve this so that you will get A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C bar into A plus B plus C bar into A bar plus B plus C bar. Now these terms are repeated twice. You have to write it once. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C bar, A bar plus B plus C bar. So this is the canonical form of the given POS. Let us move on to the next sub-question. F of xyz is equal to x into x plus y plus z bar. Here there are three literals. They are x, y and z. The first term is x. Second term is x plus y plus z bar. So the first step is identify the missing literal. In the first term, the missing literals are y and z. In the second term, there is no missing literals. Therefore, x, y and z, all the literals are present in the second term. Now the second step is x plus, x is the first term, x plus the missing literal y dot the complement of that into the second missing literal z dot z bar into the second term x plus y plus z bar equal to, now you have to solve this, x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z bar into x plus y bar plus z into x plus y bar plus z bar into x plus y plus z bar, the last term. Now x plus y plus z bar is repeating twice. Therefore, x plus y plus z into, you have to write this once, x plus y plus z bar into x plus y bar plus z into x plus y bar plus z bar. This is f of x, y, z in canonical form or standard POS form. Here is the third question. Design a logic circuit that has 4 input and 1 output. The output will be high only when majority of the inputs are high. Use K-map to simplify. The solution of this question will be explained in the next video. The links of all the previous videos related to logic design have been given in the description box. Thanks for your time.